All right, big breaking news coming in. We are shifting our focus. This is a massive relief coming in for the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal has been granted an interim bail by the Apex Court. That's a big breaking news coming in. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal, that crucial hearing was being held. That verdict was awaited, and it's finally come. This is a big relief, an interim relief of sorts, if we could call it, for Arvind Kejriwal. This is in the alleged Liquorgate case, and he has been awarded an interim bail by the Supreme Court. This is obviously going to turn into a massive flashpoint eventually between the BJP, Aam Aadmi Party and INDIA. Earlier also we've seen how the Aam Aadmi Party and obviously the INDIA bloc has used these interim bails to target the government, to basically, relay their larger point that ED is being misused. But before all the politics and the war of words, which we are expecting to really emanate on the same, let's get you the facts of the matter coming in from the Supreme Court. My colleague Bhavtosh joining us live on the broadcast. Bhavtosh, over to you. Supreme Court granting interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal. Big relief for the Aam Aadmi Party chief. Take us through what happened in the court today.
Actually, a very huge development as far as the alleged excise scam is concerned. Arvind Kejriwal gets interim bail. This is the order of Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Our legal editor has just broken this story. What Justice Khanna has said is that Arvind Kejriwal will be given interim bail as far as the larger issue of whether investigating officers under PMLA can arrest someone under Section 19 and Section 45. Because this matter is already pending before the larger bench. He has referred that matter to the larger bench, but a huge development as far as the alleged excise scam is concerned. Arvind Kejriwal has been given interim bail. Having said that, because Arvind Kejriwal is already arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation in this case, so he would not be walking out of Tihar jail. He remains in judicial custody. One has to wait and see whether his lawyers will be informing the court of the manner in which he was arrested. Because remember, when he was arrested in the case, in the predicate offence, his lawyers had said that this was done deliberately, because the matter, as far as the matter of ED's matter is concerned, that was pending before the Supreme Court, and only to make sure that he does not get paid, CBI came and arrested him. When his statement was first recorded by the CBI in April 2022, CBI recorded his statement as a witness in this case, and then sudden turn of events happened around a fortnight back. CBI arrested him as an accused in this case. Arvind Kejriwal also told the open court that this is completely illegal, but the court first granted CBI 3 days custody and then subsequently sent him to judicial custody. One has to wait and see whether his lawyers would be informing this arrest that had taken place by the CBI. But interim bail has been given to Arvind Kejriwal. This would also have some ramification as far as the excise case is concerned. The trial court has taken cognizance of that case. Arvind Kejriwal has been named as an accused. Aam Aadmi Party has been named as an accused. As far as ED is concerned, interim bail has been given by the Supreme Court. So one has to wait and see what will happen next as far as this case is concerned. But a very big development has taken place. Supreme Court has referred this entire matter to a larger bench. Arvind Kejriwal would not be walking out of the Tihar jail primarily because he has been arrested in the CBI case.
Yes.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.